This is Asus VivoBook 15 review and you're watching Soft Angles English. Asus offers many color options on this laptop. Asus has renewed its VivoBook lineup with the launch of VivoBook 14 and VivoBook 15. Machines with the new 11th Intel Core processor come with model number X413 and X513 respectively. Asus VivoBook series is known to be affordable yet powerful. With the COVID-19 situation happening, most of you may have been looking for a laptop that could provide value for your spending. Is the Asus VivoBook X513 the laptop you were looking for? Check it out in this review. Display and design. The Asus VivoBook 15 X513 features a 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlight display. The display is equipped with the company's Nano Edge technology, allowing laptops to have a screen-to-body ratio of 85%. The panel is also iCare certified, so it should be great even when working on the VivoBook 15 for long periods of time. The bezel is quite thin. The paper display specs sound great, but the panel itself isn't the best in its class. The company wanted to provide an overall smooth working experience with its new laptop series, so Asus had to adopt a fairly inexpensive panel. The panel provides enough brightness outdoors, but what's missing behind is the viewing angle. I/O is pretty decent on the VivoBook 15. There are two USB 2.0 ports on the left side. In the VivoBook 15 design, the laptop is lightweight and lightweight. Yes, weighing about 1.7 kilograms. The VivoBook is made of plastic and has an overall smooth finish on both the outside and inside. But in its design, it brings a lot of flexion to the body. In terms of ports, the VivoBook 15 has two USB 2.0 ports on the left, an HDMI 1.4 port, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port. There is also a 3.5mm headphone jack and micro SD card adapter on the right side. In terms of speakers, the sound of the VivoBook 15 is supplied by Harman Kardon. For lightweight notebooks, the speakers provide excellent audio output. I watched movies on Netflix and played music while working. However, I noticed that increasing the volume caused the chassis to vibrate. Also, the speakers fire downwards, so they work well on a tabletop, but not enough when the laptop is placed on an uneven surface, such as a bed or a sofa. Asus generally offers a great experience with laptop keyboards and trackpad. The Asus VivoBook 15 also came with a great tactile keyboard, and I had no problems writing articles using the keyboard. The keyboard is backlit with 3 levels of brightness, making it easy to type in dark environment. When it comes to trackpads, Asus leverages the Windows Precision driver to make Windows 10 gesture control seamless. The trackpad itself is smooth and is one of the best I have used. The trackpad also has a fingerprint sensor, which makes login much easier and faster. Asus VivoBook 15 has an Intel Core i5 11th generation CPU and 8GB of RAM. For storage, your laptop comes with a 256GB SSD. These combinations make everyday tasks such as browsing and working with Excel sheets much smoother. If you are looking for a game on this laptop, this is not the best choice. It comes with Intel's integrated GPU and doesn't have much graphics power. Therefore, heavy video editing and games are areas to avoid in VivoBook 15. For my usage during the review, the laptop worked smoothly even with 12 tabs open in Google Chrome. I was running apps like WhatsApp, Slack, Spotify, Microsoft Excel in background. Still, the laptop was uninterrupted. Asus has succeeded in providing decent battery performance with the Asus VivoBook 15. The thin and light laptop lasted for over 6 hours. This isn't an impressive number, but I am grateful that it came from a gaming laptop. In summary, the Asus VivoBook 15 X513 is suitable for anyone who wants to perform basic tasks such as attending a video hangouts or browsing the web. However, if you plan to edit your games or videos on the go, you will have to look elsewhere.